Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Papa Smurf from Stumble Guys. Let's start with a circle for his nose and a shape for his, basically just drawing his shape for his head. So he's looking a bit more sort of that way. That's where one of his eyes is going to be. His other eye is going to be there. Now he's got a big smile, so let's put his smile on. And then that turns into his beard, his mustache. Same with that one. Then it's his beard. Alright, now he's got his ear coming out here like this. And like that. We can put all the details in later. And then his hat basically comes around like this. Now really the only difference between the Stumble Guys character Smurf and the normal Papa Smurf, from what I've seen, is mainly the eyes. So if you want to draw a Smurf, check out the Smurf eyes. Just going to finish off his body. So there's where his body is, and that's his waist. Comes in for his leg, and he's got a really big foot there. And he's got a fair size pants, and this leg comes out, and then he's got a big shoe like that. Now the hands are probably the hardest part of this character, so let's just show you where the hands are going to be. So in there and in here. So you can see that I've constructed him up. Pretty happy with how he looks. Let's work out his hands. This one's thumb is like that, so that's pretty tricky already. There's the palm of his hand. He's got a finger that comes around here, then it sits in there, then this finger comes around. He's only got 3 fingers, and then he's got the palm of his hand in there. So there's one hand. Alright, let's do the other hand. Thumb is there, finger, and then he's got 2 more fingers in there. One, don't really see much of the other one. Time to outline. I'm going to use a 0.5 for this one. Nose, eye, colour that in. Let's go with the other eye, colour that in. Now he's got a white eyebrow. You can either draw them or just leave them white. I'll just draw them on. Then his beard. Let's draw his mustache on. With his smile. Don't forget his smile. Always happy, Papa. Well, not always, but happy unless Gargamel comes around, don't you, Papa Smurf? Beard. And if you want to make it look like a bit more of a beard, put some little zigzags in there. Let's bring that around. Let's bring a ridge on the hat around. Now this goes in behind his ear. He's got a pretty big ear, so we'll put that on. Bring that ear around like that. This one you don't see as much of, so we're going to put this around like this. Then draw his hat on. There, like so. Now bring this around. Thumb. And then into the hand, into the arm, pit. Same on this side. Bring your arm around. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, then that little bit there, then the thumb, and then the palm. And then bring that up into the arm. Bring this around. Looks like he's wearing pants or a nappy. bring that around. Smurfs were around when I was a kid. I remember watching them. Gargamel and Azrael, the cat, always trying to capture the Smurfs, but they were always too clever. I wonder what else is going to come to Stumble Guys. What would you like to see come to Stumble Guys? We've had Mr. Beast. We've got the Smurfs. We've got Monopoly. Comment below what you'd like to see.